And now moving on, a suspended Kerala MLA Rahul Mamkuthathil is now preparing to approach the High Court for an anticipatory bail after the Thiruvananthapuram court rejected his plea in a rape case. Police is now moving ahead with his arrest and he may have to surrender if not taken into custody. Now Rahul Mamkuthathil is facing multiple serious charges here, including rape on the pretext of marriage, repeated sexual assault as well as forced abortion. Now the survivor has also alleged here that Rahul assaulted her multiple times and forced her to undergo an abortion. The FIR filed in the case invokes 8 non-bailable sections of the BNS covering repeated rape, criminal breach of trust, causing miscarriage without consent and offences under the IT Act, which are punishable in fact with jail terms ranging from 10 years to life imprisonment. Now the survivor submitted her complaint directly to the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, who forwarded it to senior police officers. And with the FIR now registered, police have begun the process for his arrest. KPCC President Sunny Joseph also announced Rahul's expulsion from the Congress, citing the seriousness of the allegations. Meanwhile, Kerala BJP President Rajiv Chandrasekhar also hit out at the Congress, alleging that the party protected Rahul Mamkuthathil despite knowing his track record. He in fact accused Rahul of exploiting and harassing women and warned that more Congress leaders could face legal action, calling it a pattern of the party's politics.
Real master was guilty of exploiting women, terrorizing women, and absolutely harassing women. There was no doubt in anybody's mind. The Congress knew very well from many months and years ago that this man's track record was one of exploiting women. Yet they made him a youth Congress president. They knew he was exploiting women, yet they made him a MLA candidate in Palakkad. And 2 days ago when I was in Palakkad, the people of Palakkad came to me and said, one of the greatest regrets we have is to put this man, make this man an MLA. So look, this will not be the last Congress MLA to be facing court action for crimes against people. This is not the first, this is not the last. There will continue to be more Congress people because this is the Congress politics. They come to power using any means, any way, bribe, corrupt, alliance with Jamaat-e-Islami. But when they come to power, it is not to serve people, it is to exploit. And this is the Congress politics.
And now viewers, although allegations were first surfaced in the month of August, the woman had not appeared earlier. In fact, the crime branch had identified her from the leaked audio clips. Rahul has neither confirmed nor denied whether the voice in those clips is actually his.